Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alfan Fajar and my student ID is B1024201005 and I'm from Management International Class Batch 2020, and in this video I am going to talk about the chapter 10 of HRM class, which is the performance management and appraisal. So I already watched the following videos. The first video is about what is performance management, and it also explains about the tools in performance management and how to insert feedback and the critical role of documentation in performance management. And the second video is about performance appraisal, and it also talks about strong performance appraisals, which are the backbone of effective performance management. It also explains the definition of performance appraisals, which guide the process of determining how well employees do their jobs relative to a standard and communicating that information to them. And performance appraisals ensure effective outcomes of performance management are realized. And this video also highlights the importance of managing our performance appraisal process through training, maintaining high standards of feedback, and strong documentation. So, I also already read the HR headline on page 319, and from this HR headline, I learned that many organizations do not focus enough on ethics when managing performance, and only 43% of HR practitioners indicated that their employers included measures of ethics on performance evaluations. And even worse, many were expected to take role in managing ethics but without a proper process. I also learned that HR professionals should be involved in developing these standards to identify positive behaviors to be rewarded and undesirable behaviors to be punished. And the nature of performance management is the series of activities designed to ensure that the organization gets the performance it needs from its employees. And then an effective performance management system should do the following things to make it effective. The first one is make clear what the organization expects, and we have to provide performance information to the employees. We have to identify areas of success and needed development, and also document for performance for personal records. And there are several components of performance management. They are developing and understanding corporate strategy, providing performance direction, encouraging employee participation, assessing job performance, conducting performance appraisals, and all of them are related to each other. And also there are components of performance focused culture. The first component is clear expectations, goals, and deadlines. The second one is detailed appraisal of employee performance. Third one is clear feedback on performance. The fourth one is manager employee training as needed. The fifth one is consequences for performance. And how do we identify and measure employee performance? So we have to consider these measurements: quantity of output, quality of output, timeliness of output, presence or attendance on the job, efficiency of work completed, and effectiveness of work completed. We can also weight some of management duties, for example, like improve customer feedback, control operational costs, and encourage quality improvements. And there are three types of performance information. The first one is trait-based information that includes attitude, teamwork, initiative, effective communication, creativity, values, and dispositions. And then the second type of performance information is behavior-based information, which includes customer satisfaction, verbal persuasion, timelines of response, and citizenship or ethics. The last type of performance information, or the third type, is the results-based information, which includes sales volume, cost reduction, units produced, and improved quality. So I also already read the HR perspective on page 326, and from this HR headline, I learned that the balance between behaviors and results is really important. And companies should therefore consider developing a performance management process that takes into consideration the many different employee behaviors that bring about high levels of organizational performance. And many of these behaviors can also be emphasized in the company's value statement so that the employees realize the importance of positive action on the job, making them more likely to function in a manner consistent with the company's expectations. And a performance appraisals is a regular review is a regular review of an employee's job and performance and contribution to a company. And organizations generally use performance appraisals in two potentially conflicting ways. One use is to provide a measure of a performance for consideration in making pay or other administrative decisions about employees, and the other use focuses on the development of individuals. And I also read the HR Online on page 331, and from this HR Online I can learn that technology is very useful in enhancing the performance appraisal, and a performance appraisal system that uses technology to automate processes can provide many advantages to organizations. And performance appraisals can be conducted by anyone familiar with the performance of individual employees, include supervisors rating their employees, employees rating their supervisors, team members rating each other, employees rating themselves, outside sources rating employees, and a variety of parties providing multi-source or 360-degree feedback. And there are several steps of performance management process. The first step is to create a performance management plan. The second step is to set goals for performance management. The third step is to build a performance review system. The fourth step is to develop strong feedback giving skills. And the fifth or the last step in performance management process is ongoing employee performance management. So that's all the explanation about the HRM class chapter 10, which is the performance management and appraisal. Thank you for watching. I hope it's beneficial for you guys.